Hi folks, just a quick one here. This is my new koi. I've just picked it up. It's been in here for about an hour now. I've unwrapped it. I've just boiled it. It is 34 centimeters, and what I liked about this one was the body shape. Look at the body shape on that. It's a Hoshikin Kohaku, obviously, and then the pattern. I like the pattern, how full it is. I just thought, you know, can you imagine that a bigger koi, once it flattens out, the pattern hopefully is still going to remain. So it's quite a full pattern, but an interesting pattern, I thought. And it just looked, you know, for the price I got it for, which is £150, it was just seemed decent quality. I've got to watch it, it's going to jump. So I'm not going to mess about too much. Just thought I'd show you that. It's lining up for a jump, I can tell. The pattern at the moment is quite good, I would say. I hope it don't break up. It's just this nisai. It's got good definition. The back look. So for me, for the price I'm paying, I think I've got quite a good all-round fish there. We will see. And the Shiro, oh wow, look how translucent that dorsal is. That's what I liked about it as well. I just really like this pattern here, and it even though it's connected there, it just gives you that impression of a three-step. And just that white dorsal divide there, I just think is a lovely pattern, a full pattern. And what I liked about this as well, say the full pattern, and then just a nice gap at the tail. So they're the reasons why it caught my eye. I've set this up. This is my new setup. I got that and this one off someone for £40. I've got these little air filters. Dropped an heater in there. So I'm going to keep it in here for a bit. It's quite small, but I'm just going to keep it in here for a few weeks, I think. Just see how it goes. Especially, I trust this source. Maybe a daft thing to say. But I've got the tosai that I've had from the same seller in there, so this will go in there and grow on over winter. There it goes. So I'm just going to keep an eye on it now. Right, I'm going to shut up shop, let it settle. Thanks for watching.